Hello guys, welcome back. The Oppo Reno10X Zoom didn't get a successor last week when Oppo unveiled 3 Reno2 phones called the Reno2, Reno2F and Reno2Z. None of the phones housed a top-of-the-line Snapdragon processor. While they offer a big upgrade over the original Reno, they lack a flagship SoC and periscope camera. Means they are not true successor to the Oppo Reno10X Zoom edition. This could change soon with the appearance of Reno2 5G. The rumored Oppo Reno2 5G has been cited on Chinese certification website TENAA. According to the listing, the device is likely to feature a quad camera setup on the back. Here, the third sensor from the top is likely to be the periscope-powered camera. The design of the smartphone is similar to the rest of the Reno2 device that launched last week. While the Reno2 does feature 20x digital zoom, it's not a hybrid digital optical zoom like the Oppo Reno10X Zoom. With the addition of the periscope camera, the Reno2 5G could very well deliver high-quality hybrid zoom. There is no indication of what the fourth camera does, but judging by other Reno2 models, it's a depth sensor for portrait mode shots. Oppo is yet to reveal a phone with a dedicated macro camera, which is a common pick for the fourth camera in a quad camera setup. The TENAA listing of the Reno2 5G further confirms a 6.6-inch display, a tad larger than the rest of the Reno2 devices. And to add to that, you might get to see a 90Hz refresh rate panel, as that seems to be the next big thing. Oppo is already teasing a Reno model with a 90Hz screen, and based on the rumors, there are many other manufacturers doing the same, such as the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, the new Pixel 4 Duo, OnePlus 7T Pro and the OnePlus 7T as well. The battery capacity stands at 3930 mAh and 50W Super VOOC charging. And that's the end of the leaks for now. And if you want more such videos in the future, then subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.